Hi guys, today we're going to cook Machboos Laham or meat. So this is Helen Moore. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. So wanna know how to make Machboos Laham or meat? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need meat or laham. We also need onion cut into wings. We also need garlic. We also need onion cut into small pieces for our rice. We also need 3 cups of rice. We also need some butter. We also need roast water, saffron yellowness, and some saffron. For the spices, we need cinnamon stick, bay leaves, 2 or 4. We also need nail spices, cardamom seeds, turmeric powder, meat spices, cardamoun powder or cumin powder, curry powder, coriander powder, cardamom powder. We also need garlic paste and ginger, minced ginger. And we also need salt. So first step, we're going to boil the water in a pan. When it gets boiled, we're going to put our meat. Then we'll let it get boiled. So after boiling the meat, as you can see, there are too much whites. We're going to remove these whites. Then after we remove, we're going to put all our spices. So after we remove the white, now we put the spices. The onion and garlic. And our cinnamon stick, the bay leaves, cardamom seeds, and the nail spices. Then we add salt, 1 spoon of salt. Then a little bit of ginger. Minced ginger, this is minced ginger. Okay. And then we're going to cover it. And we will let it until our meat is done. So now our meat is done. So we're going to separate our meat and the water. So we're going to use a strainer. So this is our strainer. We're going to remove the water, but of course we're going to put something so that we're going to use also the water. So this time we're going to make our saffron water. So we're going to put the saffron. Then add some hot water. Then we put the yellow saffron nuts. Mix them. Then this time, we're going to add the roast water. So, when our rice is done, we're going to put it on the top. We're going to wash our rice. So now we're going to make our rice. To an empty pan, you put it hot. Then when it gets hot, we're going to put our butter. Let it get melt. Then we put our small onion. Let it get golden brown. Then we put our rice. So this is our rice. I have already cleaned it. So it's already washed. So our onion is done. We're going to put our rice. Then mix. Then we put the water of the meat. Then we're going to cover it, and then we're going to wait until our rice is done. So while waiting for our rice, we're going to put a yellow water and saffron to our meat. This will add flavor and taste. Very nice. Make the taste of the meat delicious. So this is the secret on how you remove the smell of the meat. So we're done. So next step, we're going to fry this. So an empty pan, you put it on fire, and when it gets hot, we're going to put an oil. Then we're going to wait until it will get hot. Then we're going to put our meat. Now it gets hot, so we're going to put our meat. So we're going to load the fire. Then we start frying. So when you fry the meat, you have to be careful. Watch them good. Don't leave it on the oil. Don't let it get burned. It don't need too much time frying. Only a little bit because it's already cooked. So your meat will not become strong or hard to eat. So now our meat is done. So this time we're going to check our rice. So as you can see, our rice is almost done. So this time we're going to put the saffron water. Put it on the top so that your rice will smell good and it will be more delicious. Then lower the fire, then cover it again. So after we lower our fire, we will see our rice. So now it's done. So the one up is hashu. You can watch my video on how to make hashu in my recent videos. So it's now time to serve. So now our Machboos Laham is done, filled with hashu and meat. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.